Hello, crypto enthusiasts, crypto traders, and crypto explorers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to fund your Trust Wallet with BNB Smart Chain coin. Why BNB Smart Chain is very important balance in your Trust Wallet? Because BNB Smart Chain is the only coin that can be used for any transaction under Smart Chain network. Okay, without BNB Smart Chain coin, you cannot make any transaction under Smart Chain network. Okay, so let's start. Let's go inside my Trust Wallet app. As you can see, I have 7.12 US dollar BNB Smart Chain. I will be adding more BNB Smart Chain coin because I will be having more transactions inside my Trust Wallet app. Okay, so I will get the fund from my Binance account. Let's go to my Binance account. But first, I must get the Smart Chain address. Click receive. Then copy this address. Or if you have two phones, you can scan the QR code. But I will be using only one phone, so I will copy the address. Okay, I already copied the address. I will go to my Binance Exchange account. Okay, I'm inside the Binance Exchange account. And as you can see, I have BNB, 9.96 BNB coin. Click this coin. Then click withdrawal. Then paste the address here. Then we will choose network. We have two network here in BNB, BIP2 and BIP20. We will be choosing BIP20 because it's Binance Smart Chain. So we will be using BIP20 because it's under Binance Smart Chain, and we will be using transaction under Binance Smart Chain. So choose BIP20, then confirm. Okay, so you will type the amount you want to transfer to your Trust Wallet app. Okay, so I will be clicking max. Okay, then withdrawal. Okay, amount to be sent 0.03, transaction fee 0.0008 BNB, then confirm. Make sure that this address is copied from your Trust Wallet BNB Smart Chain. Confirm.
A few moments later.
Okay, so withdrawal request submitted. Then let's go to view history. Processing. Then we will wait for it to complete the process. Then we'll go back to my Trust Wallet account. We will wait the fund here. The $9 fund, it will be added here. Not here because it's not BNB Smart Chain network. It's BIP2. We're waiting the fund here because Smart Chain BNB coin is the only coin that can be used for any transaction inside BNB Smart Chain. Like if you want to use Joule Swap, Pancake Swap, or any decentralized exchange or any dApps website that has farming, staking, pools, swapping, only BNB Smart Chain can be used for that or for those transactions you want to do in your Trust Wallet account. So let's just wait for the coin to be transferred here.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the 9 BNB Smart Chain coin balance from my Binance exchange already transferred here in my Smart Chain BNB coin. Okay, it's already here in my Trust Wallet app. Let's check. So this one. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you like the video, just click subscribe, click notification bell for you to get notified every time I have a new upload on my channel. Thank you and have a good day.